A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Beyond Bias, Harnessing the Power of Neutrality. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world shaped by self-interest and external pressures, the ability to rise beyond bias and embrace neutrality is a transformative force, one not of passivity but of wisdom, clarity and purpose. For centuries, sages, scientists and philosophers have explored the forces that shape human destiny. From the Upanishads teachings on inner equilibrium to neuroscience discoveries on cognitive plasticity, one truth remains. The self is sculpted by thought, decision and energy. Transcendence lies in choice, and the quality of these choices depends on a balanced and constructive mental state of the self. Ancient wisdom underscores the challenge of mastering the mind. The Bhagavad Gita states, the mind is restless, turbulent, powerful and obstinate. To control it is more difficult than controlling the wind. Yet, history reveals that those who achieve neutrality, whether through Buddha's meditative discipline or Marcus Aurelius' stoic resilience, transcend limitations to shape history with clarity and wisdom. To harness neutrality for personal and societal growth, biases and self-serving tendencies must be set aside in favor of rationality and fairness. Between the past and the future exists the present, where opportunities for transcendence arise. Neuroscience confirms that thoughts are electrical impulses shaping neural pathways, fostering growth or stagnation. Epigenetics reveals that thought patterns influence gene expression, affecting stress resilience and emotional regulation. However, cognitive biases such as confirmation bias, which reinforces pre-existing beliefs, or negativity bias, which overemphasizes threats, often distort perception, trapping the mind in cycles of irrationality. Overcoming these biases requires conscious effort, as positive mental energy rewires the brain for higher cognition and emotional intelligence, while negative energy fosters discord, anchoring the self in lower orbits of limitation. The ability to choose is an opportunity that must be recognized and valued. Positive choices stemming from positive thoughts enable transcendence, while negative choices trap the self in cycles of stagnation. In a world dominated by stress, health challenges, and self-interest, internal conflicts erode neutrality, clouding decisions with bias and short-termism rather than wisdom and long-term well-being. Ancient philosophies and modern psychology converge on a neutrality as the key to breaking this cycle. The Taoist principle of Wu Wei, effortless action, mirrors the wisdom of neutrality, where the mind operates with clarity, not force. Scientific studies on brain wave synchronization suggest that deep meditation induces alpha and theta wave activity, enhancing cognitive function and emotional stability. Similarly, Stoic philosophy advocates managing emotions to enable rational decision making. Neuroplasticity research shows that disciplined mental practices strengthen the prefrontal cortex, the seat of rational thought, while reducing amygdala-driven reactivity linked to fear and bias. A neutral mind generates positive mental energy, aligning thoughts and actions with truth, logic, compassion, and courage, influencing not only the self but also the collective. What's the way forward? Training the mind is key to transcendence. Brain entrainment, aligning the mind with higher frequencies of awareness, facilitates this shift. Simple practices such as mindful breathing, detaching from reactive emotions, and journaling thoughts help bridge philosophy with action, thus cultivating neutrality. Ancient wisdom and quantum physics align on a premise: thoughts are not passive but dynamic forces shaping reality. The Bhagavad Gita's Guna theory and quantum mechanics observer effect affirm that awareness and intent determine self-trajectory. Consistently aligning one's mental energy with positivity transforms the mind into a force for progress. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, transcending self-limitation requires embracing neutrality. By cultivating a neutral state, individuals generate positive mental energy, leading to better choices for themselves and for society. In a world prioritizing self-interest over collective well-being, neutrality fosters wisdom, peace, and fulfillment. As the Bhagavad Gita states, the self alone is the friend of the self, and the self alone is the enemy of the self. True transcendence is not detachment, but mastery, an equilibrium unshaken by praise or blame, gain or loss. In this state, neutrality evolves into enlightenment, and enlightenment into action that uplifts the world. The path to transcendence is open to all who dare to train the mind, uplift the self, and illuminate the world with wisdom. Good luck best wishes and God bless.